I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World. Professor Vinster here. We just got a new toy in. Now, I'm going to be working on, now I did a video of this, I'm going to be working on this Volkswagen scene. Just going to be wheels and the body buried among shrubs. I got my shrubs, got my lichen, I got my moss, got all the goodies. So I ordered something because we're going to be putting it on styrofoam. So actually, okay, I'm going to reveal this. Now I'm not getting paid for this. It's not a paid thing. So I'm going to just treat it as, to me, no name. There's the handle. There's the tips. I think you should figure this out soon. How to tip. This is a marker for sketching on the foam, I believe. There's a unit so that it holds it. Oh, the extra wire in case you break it. There's the wire for cutting. Slimmity slim. We'll put that back like that. We'll do with the box whatever we always do with the boxes. Goodbye. Alright. Now, didn't read the instructions. Some guys do, some guys don't. Put that in there like that. And untwist this. Sometimes when I untwist these, I go the wrong way. So we'll go hopefully the right way. Now hopefully we have enough cable. Plug that in there. Now I don't think. Oh, here we are. Oh, well, I think there's. It's only 39 bucks. Now I don't even know the name of it, and it doesn't matter to me. Like I said, there's extra wire. I'll have to put that away. And the only other problem would be right now is to figure out where I should plug this in without unplugging something that I need. Plug in there. Now what's this plugged into? Now, we don't want to unplug the computer. What's this? Don't know. So far I haven't noticed. Let's plug this in. Okay, we're plugged in. Grab a piece of styrofoam. Don't drop this stuff in my drink. Good old vitamin C. It's not stuck on my mustache. Okay, we're going to turn this on. Looks like pretty instant. Wow. Okay. Let's turn this off. Let's use the stand that they give us. And wow. Okay. So there you go. And that's probably too hot to try these. Obviously these are designed to cut in, which I have to do with the wheels. Same with that one. Shorter one. But that was fun. That was fun. Alright, so there you go. Simple, quick video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.